Something double show. I couldn't get the first number.
5 something. Westbound and they really generate right now.
Q135-29 westbound, one track. Approach limited Randolph Road. CSX Q135-29 out.
What am I gonna do with you guys?
You were gone and scared the crap out of us.
I was thinking we might do that. Yeah.
Oh, I heard 135 go by.
Yeah, he's passing me now. He's switching over to 1 and 2 in Montrose. He just had a post limited.
Okay, so yeah, the yellow flashing green.
Well, probably. I don't know. But I just heard 29, so.
I'll call you back. Let me know if you get anything eastbound, okay?
Well, I don't know about eastbound, but after 135 pass and PO 29 pass, I just heard PO 29.
I have no idea.
So after 29 pass, I'm going to head home. So after 29 pass.
Alright, well, it was good talking to you, Phil. We'll see you later.
Alright, man, and I'll let you know when 29 pass. Hang on.
Westbound 1 to 2, limited clear, Montrose. CSX locomotive 32. 9 approval, out.
3294, tier 4 in the lead.
Yep, 1 and 2 in Montrose, limited clear.
Yeah, I saw. Alright, I guess I'll talk to you later.
Alright, brother, I'll let you guys know when 29 pass, and we go from there.
Alright, see ya.
I almost said the P word.
Don't you dare, not on this YouTube video. Do not let the whole world hear it.
I almost did, but I caught myself.
Don't you dare do it.
Don't worry, I won't, buddy.
I can only just barely tolerate it when the whole World 9 crew knows, but if the whole world knows, oh,
trust me, I know.
Okay.
That's why I caught myself.
Alright, talk to you later.
Alright, brother. Be safe out there.
Alright, bye.
Bye-bye. Alright, guys. That's my girlfriend, Mitch. His YouTube channel is Just Train Sanity. Like, subscribe to his channel. He's a good friend of mine, and I will not say his nickname. It's his mom thing, so if you're gonna try and ask me, I would deny it. I would not say it. Because it's only between me and him and my 199 only. So do not ask where it is. Alright. Q135, you guys look good, that's what I can tell. You guys be safe going westbound. 29 should be coming up shortly, so because I did hit them. So I'll see you guys on 29.